I go from the excitement in Minneapolis to another heavy day in Hudson, because today we saw new police body camera video in the Apple River stabbing trial.
And testimony today turned from the victims and witnesses to how police and people responded nearby. Fox 9's Karen Scullin was at the courthouse for the day's testimony. She joins us live now. And so, Karen, take us through the day's events in the courtroom.
Some dramatic moments with the video that was shown in court today, but we also saw the knife that was allegedly used in that attack. Seems like today was certainly more about the visuals than the testimony. We see chaos and hear a victim moaning. Police body camera video played in court today shows what law enforcement saw upon arrival.
She got stabbed. Her right there, she got stabbed. Okay. And there's two down there yet, too.
Okay, you hold on, okay? We now know, of course, one person, 17-year-old Isaac Schumann, was stabbed and killed, 4 others injured. The knife apparently used, also part of today's proceedings. Photos show how police found it on the bank of the river amongst some trees. Then in the courtroom, it was physically shown to the jury.
He'll open the blade also.
On the stand today, a woman who was also tubing on the river and ran to help. She is a nurse and shared how she tried to save Schumann.
He was not breathing, so I started chest compressions right away and continued that for a long time.
The defense today made a repeated point that witnesses say before the stabbing, defendant Nicolae Miu was surrounded by 13 people standing alone, and that following the stabbing, someone was looking for Miu while holding a baseball bat. And finally, more police body camera video showed suspect Miu being handcuffed.
I believe we have the suspect detained. I believe we have him detained at the time.
Right now, you're being placed under arrest, okay? You're being placed under arrest for homicide and attempted homicide.
911 calls were also played in court today. Now, as for tomorrow, it sounds like some witnesses that were in Miu's group will be testifying. The state's saying today they're actually ahead of schedule and they could rest on Monday or Tuesday. We're live in Hudson. Karen Scullin, Fox 9.
All right, thanks, Karen. And we are streaming every moment of this trial, gavel to gavel, on our website, fox9.com. You can also watch on our YouTube page and on the Fox local app.